Hello, hello, hello. I hope all is well with you and your family. Welcome for another day of live technical analysis where you can know when to enter, where to place stop loss, and where to put your take profit. We are an educational platform and you can check our previous live stream where you can learn and add to your trading strategy. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe or else Bagdanov will dump on you. Hello, hello, hello. Jeffrey Hamtig, hello. Osvaldo Moreno, good day, sir. Rio Ichiban, hello. Osvaldo, hello. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, okay. So our trade, we in profit already. So many are in profit with our trade now. So all right, let's go. Let's do this. Okay, hello, hello. Okay, okay. So basic technical analysis you can learn. What's the basic technical analysis you can learn? Okay, let me check. Okay, okay. So for basic technical analysis you can learn. Then I will be teaching to you about awesome oscillator, okay? Awesome oscillator is right here. This one right here. Okay, this is the awesome. Sorry about that. Okay, this is our awesome oscillator. Okay, buy signal went up. So you look at the price, it went up. Sell signal, once it crosses here, downside, negative volume, then you can see it starts going down. Okay. And then another breakout to the upside, positive signal, price went up again. Okay. Okay. And then crossing again to the downside, sell signal. So prices went down. Buy signal again here. So this is the buy signal. Price went up again. So this is the first thing that you can use it. Every time it crosses to the downside or to the upside, you can, once it crosses to the downside, then you open short signal. Okay. And then crosses to the upside, then long signal. Okay, 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 okay. Hello, hello, hello. Alright. Hello, Sam. Hello, Myla. Hello, El Negro. Hello, Julius. Hello, Edmund. Yes, sir. Okay, okay. So this is the first one, the first use of awesome oscillator, okay? Okay, okay. And what else is the other use of awesome oscillator? Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, let's delete this one. So this is the first use, okay? And now let's check the other use of awesome oscillator. This one. It tells you if it's a bearish saucer or a bullish saucer, okay? So right here, it crosses. The candle is supposed to go down but saw a bullish saucer. It opened green volume, so that means it's gonna continue to the upside. So this is the bullish saucer, okay? And look at the price, it went up. Okay, it did not cross to the downside. Instead, it went up, okay? So of course, there is a demand area here, okay? There is a demand area. As you can see, the demand area is waiting right here. Where we usually get a rejection, okay? So we bounce and then goes up again. Oh, hello. Hello, Ruby. Hello, B. Zangwin. Hello, Melody. Matthew, hello. Okay. How is everyone? So, bullish saucer, prices goes up. Bearish saucer, prices goes down. This is the bearish saucer. The green volume, and then the next one is a red volume. That means it's gonna continue to the downside. Okay, so if you are trading here and then you get a rejection in the supply zone, ups, it here. Now by question, which comes first? Awesome oscillator or the zone? Supply zone, demand zone. If you're following our TA, then you would know that this is what comes first is the supply and demand zone, okay? That's more accurate, okay? Because most of the indicators are delayed and lagging, okay? So they are delayed. Hello. Happy Wednesday, everyone. Okay. Okay, so here, bullish saucer again. Price went up. Bearish saucer, price went down. Okay, and then bearish saucer, price went down. Of course, there is a... Sorry about my hand, okay? Okay, that's a supply area where you drop and then find resistance, okay? Okay. Okay, so that's the second use of awesome oscillator. The first one is every time it crosses to the negative, you sell. And then every time it crosses to the positive, you buy. And then the other is bullish saucer and bearish saucer. So if it continues the trend, it will open a green volume and continue to the upside. If it's bearish, it's gonna continue to the downside. It's gonna open a red volume again. Okay. Hello, Lodi and Facebook. Hello, Mary. Hello, John Ezekiel. Yo. I hope all is well with everyone. How is your Wednesday? I hope you are all doing fine, okay? Okay, the next one, this is what I usually use in awesome oscillator, okay? This is where I usually, aside from bullish saucer, this is the one that I usually use because this is a divergence trading, okay? You find divergence. Let's do this. Okay? So with divergence trading, you know that it's gonna change the direction. Alright. Look at this one. It's higher high, but this one is twin peaks. Bearish. Our volume is telling us not much. Okay, it's going down. Meaning even though we are higher high, the volume is lower high. That means we're gonna continue to the downside. This is already the top. Okay, this will be already the top because our awesome oscillator is telling us that's the top, and the price went down. This is Twin Peaks bullish, lower, higher, low. Okay, the volume is going high, and then the candle is going low, lower, low. So this is already the bottom because there is no volume anymore. Okay. Okay. So it went up from here. That's how you find. Okay, pamangkin ni Otits Padang. Hello. Princess Thea. The DP of Princess Thea, if I know her name right. Okay, Mary, Lara Ingrid, hello. Yes, sir. Hey, John Ezekiel. So that's how you use the awesome oscillator. Bullish Twin Peaks and bearish Twin Peaks, okay? Okay, let's try to find it in the real market. Actually, right now we are forming a bearish Twin Peaks. Twin Peaks right here. Let's look at the indicator. Awesome oscillator. Okay, this is for our time frame. And as you can observe, even though this is Twin Peaks right here, okay, the awesome oscillator is telling you high and then lower high. Okay, so meaning there is not much volume to the upside. It's going down. Okay, and of course we find support here. Wow, touching it and bouncing. Wow, we have a good drawing right here. Hello Jeramil, we miss you. Where have you been? What happened? How's our trading, boys? Okay. To see you here, okay? Yes, sir. I hope you are learning and I hope you are applying our risk management so we can continue in the day trading. Okay? Our trade right now is 13% up. Alright. We are shorting the market here. Okay. Okay, so this is awesome oscillator, 1 hour time frame. Okay, we have been in a bearish 1 hour time frame. What's showing here? Look at this one. This one right here is higher. High. Let's look at our awesome oscillator. Higher, lower, high. So the volume is lower than here. So even though it's higher high, the volume is lower high. That means we're gonna go down. You see? Okay. And this Twin Peaks right here. This Twin Peaks. Look at the volume. There is no justice to the volume. It's going down, my friend. Okay, and what do you see here? It's bearish saucer. That would mean we're gonna continue to the downside. Okay, bearish saucer. Oh, it is thinner, huh? Thinner. Okay. This is awesome oscillator. Okay, short and long position. Okay, so I think that's all for our basic technical analysis you can learn. Okay, now let's go to our news. Terra Luna has just shattered a new all-time high after 1.3 billion Bitcoin purchase. So you want to pump your coin? Just hodl 1.3 billion Bitcoin. Okay, so if you are going to create your own coin, make sure in your asset you have Bitcoin. Okay, so you have a store of value, you have a value, you have a balance related to Bitcoin. So for example, if you have Luna, then you hodl Bitcoin with your company. Okay, so it will shoot up your Luna's value. Okay. The dip is limited below 46k. Bitcoin gate pace above 47.5, traded as high as 48.2. The price is trading above 46.5. And the 100 hourly simple moving average. Okay, the 100 simply moving average. There is a key breakout pattern forming with support near 46,300 and on the hourly chart of the BTC pair. Data feed from Kraken. The pair could start a fresh increase if it stays above 46,000 support zone. Okay. Bitcoin extends. Bitcoin price extended increase above 47,500 resistance zone. Okay, so BTC even broke the 48,000 resistance. Okay. Alright. Recently, there was a downside correction from the 48.2. The price declined below 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level upward. Move from 44,468. Okay. That's what we are looking at right now in Bitcoin. Okay. Massive amount of dormant Bitcoin has been activated. Okay. This might be just to tease the long that there will be a dump because it's an account has been activated. But if it doesn't dump, you see, once there is an activated account, we think that it's gonna sell, right? I don't think so. Some would dump, but I don't think so. Okay. Okay. So this one have been activated after 7.7 years. I think we're gonna have problem with this one because there are so many sleeping wallet being activated. Does that mean that we're gonna experience a dump? Does that mean that we're gonna experience a dump? Are we going to have a bear April month of April? You see, April Fools, right? You are thinking it's gonna be a bullish, but you're gonna be surprised. Okay, that's good. That's good, Jerome. Shout out sa pamangkin. Okay, Ariel, RA. Hello. I hope all is well with you, everyone. Okay. So are they going to dump the market and we're gonna have a April Fools? That instead of thinking that there will be a pump, there will be a dump. I hope you are ready with your position, ready to make money. Okay. 1 hour, 24 hours, we have $281 million, 281 million. Got wreck. 4 hour time frame, 77% short position, got wreck. Why are they wreck? They are opening high leverage and they don't use stop loss. Are you one of the contributor of these liquidated people? Okay? The one thing that I can tell our community is that we don't get liquidated because we use a stop loss and we know to put where the stop loss should be. Because we are day traders and before we enter a trade, we find the supply zone and then the demand zone and then we place our stop loss above or below those zones so we can protect and have our risk management accurate. Okay? So whenever we hit our stop loss, that would only mean the institution also gave up that position. Okay? Okay. Alright. Our greed and fear index is 55. Okay, 55. Greed and fear index is 55. So that means we are in greed. Okay? Hello. What's the most accurate indicator for you, sir? All indicators are lagging, okay? Because most indicators were created before the AI algorithm. Okay? MACD, RSI, 1978, 1979. And the AI algorithm traders, the bots, okay? They were created in 90s and as you can see, if your indicator are delayed and these bots trade so fast, they can make millions of trades within a day. That's how fast they do the trading. Okay? And so if you are following this delayed, lagging indicators, you will always be left behind. And while everybody has made profit already, you are just starting your entry. Because you are not in the right place. Okay? So, that's why you need to figure out support levels of supply and demand. Once you find that supply and demand, you see, last night, yesterday, we traded and I keep on pyramiding my trade. I started with $100 and since it got confirmed that it's going down, so I added and I added and I added. That's what we call pyramiding because it's already confirmed. While the dollar cost average means you're gonna dollar cost average every time it goes against your way, you buy again. Go against your way, buy again. That's dollar cost average. And with that strategy, you are in hope you mode. You are hoping that it's gonna go to your way. And then when it starts liquidating, you don't have stop loss. No, you get liquidated. But in pyramid trading, you buy, and then once it goes your way, it confirms, you buy again. You double down, you add. So I have a $500 trade last night, and it made at least $92 for that trade. Okay? So why? Because I know the supply area. I know the supply zone. And I know it's gonna retest only the supply zone and drops again. So I left it. My stop loss is above the supply area. And when I wake up, it hit my take profit. Okay? So that's a good thing right there. Okay. So that's why if you're asking me what's the best accurate indicator, I tell you the supply and demand. Master the supply and demand, Edmund, okay? The one that I've been teaching you for a while now, here. This one, supply and demand. So it's a lot of slides here, 2, 3, 4. That's supply and demand. And you can surely make money with less emotional problems. Stop loss for supply zone. So I have explained this. I know we were in the base drop, so I know we're gonna make money, and we did. Okay? Okay. So I usually do in my trading, I just enter $100, and then if it confirms my direction, then I'm gonna double up. Okay. If not, then let me just hit that stop loss. Okay. So we only trade at least 2 to 3% of your portfolio. Okay, 2 to 3% of your portfolio only. Okay, we are not trading a whole portfolio at the same time. Because once you are wrong, you're gonna wipe out your account, okay? Ed Muna Sherda, yes, I remember. Thank you, sir. Yes, cheers to that. Shout out sa mga scammer. Yeah. Our community has been duplicated. So many coming other people. Okay? Okay. So here, Practical Trade Scholar. So here you can see that in our practical, you can see we have a copycat of our app. Somebody copied our app. Okay, so many profit, right? Our community is making money. Okay. There was the app. Okay, I think it's okay. I can't find it now. Maybe it's somewhere. Anyway, there are people who are copying our app also, and also copying my name also in Telegram. Okay, so be careful always. Okay. Hello. Okay. So make sure if you are in our community, even if you trade in other exchange, okay? Even if you trade in other exchange, make sure you follow our rule also here, because we are the one giving you signal, and we really don't want to bankrupt also our community by using our signal in other exchange. Okay, that's inhumane also. Okay, that's inhumane also. So just like in our community, if you want to be part, then you just have to open your ULIAN account, and then 100 to 500, and then with 7 days commitment, at least you commit, you trade in that community daily. Okay, and if it's greater than 14 days, I know you find some coins that are not in ULIAN, okay, and you want to trade it. I think it's fine as long as you always active in trading in our ULIAN account. Okay. Hello KTM. Hello John Kenneth Velasco. Okay, so just making sure we are in the same page. Scan that QR code right now and join our Telegram community. Okay, you will be directed here. Okay, you will be directed here with 1,538 members, and then from here you will be redirected if you want to join our practical group where you can get specific signal. Okay, we make some forecast here. Okay, this is the fake copying our ULIAN. Okay, so make sure you protect yourself from this scammer. Okay, and this is the legit one. Okay, so watch out. Official app, scan here, scan this QR here. Okay, take care, my friends. I don't want you to be a victim of scammer. Okay, if the script that the developer use to create the app is original, we might have hard time to pull that app in the Play Store. Okay, so yeah, so you just need to be careful on what you are downloading. Okay, ours is not yet in the Play Store, so it's easy. It's in our website ulianex.live. Okay, and also Okay, so this is our community right here. There's the signal. Here, we give specific signal, trade scholar, forecast, and then 1 hour time frame. DM for details. Welcome trade scholar and KZ 1986. Okay, you DM these two. Okay, if you want to join our trade scholar. Okay, and if happen you have been kicked out by our community, and so you might get a chance again. Okay, just make sure you communicate to our admin if they're gonna ask you something, then you can just tell them what happened. Okay, because we really want everyone to grow. Okay, and we want our community to grow really. Okay, and we want our community to grow also. Okay, we have been in this Telegram, and usually because people here receives a signal, what they do is they also create their own community and they pass on my signal. And what happens if I fail my signal? So the blame will be on you. Because you did not explain my signal well, right? Okay, so whenever our police, we have a police in our Telegram community. Okay, so if you are doing these things and if they suspect you doing it, then it might be a ground for you to be banned. Okay, so if you like what we are doing, bring your friends in our community. Do not bring the signal to your community. Okay, do not bring our signal to the community that you want to share. Okay, just bring them here. Tell them you can join here, and this is a legit also. Okay, so that's the best way. Okay, so that you will avoid this kind of misunderstanding. Okay, miscommunication and other things. Okay, hello Ram Miranda, 20 USDT boss. We love music. Yes sir, we indeed love music, the language of our soul. Hello Mavic, see you again here. John Kenneth, hello. Okay, so I think we're done with our promotion of our ULIAN. If you like what we are doing, then make sure you support what we are doing by creating your ULIAN account and trading in our very own exchange. Okay. Dashboard. Okay. Liquidated. Fear, greed, and fear. Okay, I think we're done with our news. So now let's check some coin. Okay, hello Ava Grande. Ava Grande is fairly new to our community and she seems happy. Are you happy with our community? She seems making money with our community, huh? You seem to like our community. Okay, I noticed you left a message here. Okay, so we appreciate you appreciating our community. Okay. And of course, my desire is not more than you getting signal from us. I want you yourself to learn also day trading. That's why we have Zoom class every Tuesday and Thursday, because I want you to learn, okay, how we do it so you can do it also. Okay, and from there we can elevate the economy of the Philippines, right? So when everybody makes money in the market, then it can help our country, because we are in the Philippines, so we spend our money in the Philippines, so we are helping the economy of the Philippines. Okay, so even though you are just at home, once you make money from dollar and you put it into peso, then that gives value to our country. Okay, all right. Okay. So even though you are just at home, then you can start making money. All right. Hello to our 16 viewers. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So I feel sad whenever whenever our traders in our community gets kicked out, okay? Me as a live streamer, and as it's like I'm your leader also here in day trading. So when I see you get kicked out, I really feel sad about it. Okay? I grieve also, and I also miss you here. Because we are creating, not just making money together, but we are building community. Okay, we are building friendship here. Okay, so to avoid these things to happen, just prevent yourself from creating any groups and then passing our signal from our community. Okay, because I have seen at least I think 2 people already got kicked out in our community because they did that in the first time. They were active, and I appreciate that you are active. But I feel sad when you are overactive, right? That's what we call overactive. That you go over and beyond. Okay, so I hope for those who are still in our community, if you want to teach your friends, your community with our signal, then just bring them in our community, okay? So they can also trade in ULIAN, okay? Because the ULIAN, our community is really going to be strict about this one, because that's gonna protect. Okay, that's gonna protect. There are so many hired people also, and if we let this pass, then what happens with the people who are working? Okay, so it's like we give our best. Okay, Bullish Harami. Bullish pin bar. Okay, good job, Norman Gorgonio. Okay, you are taking note, huh? Is this my notes? Okay, is this the lesson that I teach? Oh, very good. You have a codigs. Codigs, we call it in Filipino, codigs. Shout out to you, Kevs Buenafe, and in Facebook. Okay, yes sir. .ng. Good to see you here again. Okay. Okay, going back. Okay, let's now check our Bitcoin. What happened to our Bitcoin? What's Bitcoin plan? Okay, we are resting here from our supply zone. And we are gonna touch this one. We got our rejection area, supply zone. Okay. Let me find my TA, BTC, USDT. Okay. No TA. No TA, my maybe because it's a different layout. Anyway, so we can just create RTA again. Okay, let's check now the weekly time frame. Yes sir, RJ, too much. Okay, okay. Good that you are making money, and I hope you also practice risk management, okay? Because if you don't practice risk management, that's called gambling. We call it taya. Tataya. That's not. We are not gambling here. We are trading with risk management. Okay, when we say risk management, that means you have your stop loss in play. Okay, so you have your stop loss in play, and that means you have your leverage according to our signal. Oh, look at this one. I just found something. Support. Rejected. Now we are here. We are breaking this weekly time frame. Oops, sorry that. Okay. We are making it a resistance area. Ooh. Ooh la la. We need to break this resistance if we want to go up further. Okay, resistance waiting here. This is weekly time frame, okay? Okay. .ng, yan nga po sir. Okay, very good. Very good. So, .ng. So, you are in Telegram, you are, your name is NG. Okay. In Telegram, your name is, okay, where's that one? Norman Gorgonio. Okay, so this is you, .ng. Okay, very good, very good. That's good, you take note, okay? Do you know that this material is so expensive? But you are getting it for free. You are learning it for free. So you are blessed in our community, okay? So you value it. Because so many people are begging for this material and I don't give it, okay? I don't give this material right here. Okay? Yes, we have a Zoom class again. Okay. So going back, let's go to our TA. Maybe you're already waiting for our TA. Okay, so this is weekly time frame. This is the breakout. Okay, where this is weekly time frame. Okay, that means we got rejection, breakout, support, rejection, breakout. Okay, so this is how strong this trend line right here. Okay, so this is weekly time frame. Let's check the daily time frame. Daily time frame is bullish. Okay, as a oscillator bullish. We are in the high volume node, HVN. Okay, high volume node. We are in the high volume node. We have it here. Course, the VPVR. Yeah, we also teach VPVR here. Okay, the high volume node. I use most of the indicators. Actually, the indicators here are the one I am using. So, in a way, this has a bias. This material has a bias because the one that I am using is the one I am teaching first. Okay, before I teach you so many things, I will teach you first what I am using because this is the one that makes me money, right? So why should I teach you about things that not making money yet for me? Okay, so I need to test it first so I know it's working, and it did work, so I'm sharing it to you also. Okay, so high volume node right here, daily time frame. We have been rejected here. EMA ribbon, we are below. Moving average, EMA. For our time frame. Okay. So basically in our daily time frame, we are still bullish. Okay, you can look at this signal right here. And as you can see, it's a delayed signal from EMA ribbon. That's why I'm teaching you the support zone, support and resistance, right? Because the major support area is right here, the support zone. Okay, pull it out. This is the support zone. Okay, so once you know it touches, you know it's bullish already. Once it enters the zone. Okay, Okay, and right here, where is the zone? The supply zone. Actually, the supply zone started here. Okay, this is a supply zone. We got a rejection, rejection, rejection. We break out now. We are gonna try to hold this area right here, okay? But if we don't hold this, then we're gonna continue to go down. Hello, hello, hello. Okay. 4-hour time frame. Awesome Oscillator is still in retracement, okay? Look at our EMA. We touched the EMA and we got a bounce. Okay, that's a strong bounce from our EMA. Rebound. Okay. Not easy to break, right? So swing low to swing high. This is Fibonacci retracement, okay? And currently, we are finding support here. If you remember, our entry in this afternoon is 47382. So this is close to our entry. Where was our entry? Our entry was right here. 47373. Okay, that's entry. Another entry is 47412. Okay. Okay, let's check. So we are finding support here. So if you're gonna put your stop loss at least above this zone here, because there is a mini supply zone here. Okay, this mini supply zone is right here. You can put your stop loss here, and another supply zone right here. Or you can pull it up to here. Okay, so that's why we always get a rejection. Even though we drop, we get a rejection still here and drops again. And if the bulls cannot break the supply zone, you know what's gonna happen, right? We're gonna continue to the downside. Okay, but of course we are just limited up to 46,000. This is the least that it can go. 46 here. It's in 0.618. Part of the retracement only. Okay. And then 40 here. Then continue again to the upside. So this is possible. You can have up to here, the retracement area, okay? So if you're gonna trade this and you're gonna be entering here, you can take profit up to here. Then 2.84. 2.84, your stop loss first. You're gonna pull it here above this zone, okay? Just above this zone. So here 48,364 if you put it that way, or you want it in 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is 1 hour time frame, okay? We are breaking now the EMA ribbon, okay? So if your entry is right here, then your stop loss is right here above, just above this one, okay? So you will not 48,303. So that would mean you're gonna lose 1.85%. Let's say you're gonna have stop loss of 70x. Not really. 1.85. So this means you can only get up to 50. At even 50, maybe 40 only. 1.85 times 40x. So that's why I gave you 40x leverage. Because my priority is you're able to put your stop loss here, 48,296. Leverage 40x. Okay, because if you don't use 40x leverage, you cannot put stop loss here. And if your stop loss is just anywhere, somewhere, anywhere here, that's gonna be hit easily. And you're gonna lose money without fighting. Okay? Hello, 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 Mavic, Jo Marie Guerrero. Okay, so that's why We are careful. We are careful with our stop loss. Okay. We are careful. Okay, so right here we are waiting. We are bouncing in 0.382. That's a strong support. That's a strong bounce right there. Let me show you why it's strong. Here. Strong trend if it bounces in the 382. Okay, 0.382. Meaning, the market will not always go up. There will always be a what we call retracement. That's why it's called Fibonacci strategy or Fibonacci retracement. There will be a going up and a retracement. So if it retraces in 0.382, then it bounces there, then it's a strong trend. If it goes down and bounces in 50.5, then that's a normal trend. If it goes deeper and bounces in weak trend, that's 618. If it goes back from point here and here, that is reversal signal. There is no bouncing. It's a flip zone. Okay. I hope this helps you with your Fibonacci strategy. Okay. We are combining our live stream with also teaching, right? Actually, I have taken my MA, so I used to teach. I used to teach in college. Okay, before pandemic. Okay, anyway, going back here. So 0.5, you can bounce here, or we can bounce here in 618, 46,000. Okay, the news, right? You remember the news? This pair could start a fresh increase if it stays above 46,000. So the BTC is correcting gains, but tips might be limited below 46. So we are only going to stay above 56. Okay. If we go back here, then that would mean we are back to zero. That's reversal again. Okay, so the bulls will not. The bulls, okay. The bullish institution, the bulls, will not let this be wasted by allowing it to drop again here and invalidate this up right here. Okay. Okay. But we did that many times right here. You see here, the bulls just let their uptrend here be wasted by letting it drop again where it started. Okay, that's painful though. This one pump again and then drop. The bulls tried to fight, but so strong with our supply zone here, so we drop again and even deeper. Okay. Okay, so right now we are hoping we are going to fight for this one. Okay. Okay. So for specific signal for Bitcoin, I'm gonna give the signal in our practical group. Okay, so make sure you are in our practical group, scan the QR code and be part of our practical group. Okay. So what do we do now? Okay, for those who are joining our raffle, make sure you have typed already. Let's open it in incognito. Raffle generator. Open. Sign in with Google. So we are using incognito to avoid the cookies following, right? To avoid cookies from following us. If you are not in our YouTube channel yet, then make sure you join our YouTube channel, okay? So you can comment 20 USDT. This is our YouTube channel. Scholar Trade, 376 subscriber. And click the like and comment 20 USDT, then you will be able to join our raffle, okay? Okay. So open. So these are the list already of our entries here. Okay. Okay, okay. So who wants to join our raffle? Just comment 20 USDT. Jeffrey, the first one, Hamtig. Buwelson. Edmund Askerda. Julius Kent. Mendoza. Gabi Buwelson. Zangwin. Pamangkin ni Otit dito Padang. Adapt. Jeremy and Ariel. Mia 17. San Paulo. TN. Ram Miranda, our first winner, who got it from Gcash. Wow, he love. Aba. Kuya Kevs of Flip Top. .ng. Yo, Glee, good to see you. You were able to catch up. Good up. Joe Marie. Dan Zamudio, hello. Kev is already here. Okay. So this is all the entry for this day. Thank you for joining our live. Stay safe, trade safe, stay safe, trade safer. Risk management is the key. Okay, all the best. Cheers. Let's make some money. Bye-bye. See you in the practical group. Cheers.